Hi, a student correctly graphed the parabola shown below to solve a given quadratic equation. What is an equation of the parabola shown in the companion diagram? There are several ways to find the equation of this parabola, but I'm going to stick with one way, and then another question along the way when we get to the next test or something, I will use another method to solve this kind of problem. First of all, the minimum point to find the axis of symmetry in this case, it's really hard to find it, but you can assume that the axis of symmetry in this case is 1/2 and use the axis of symmetry formula. I'm not going to use it this time, but instead I will use this point here. This is the y-intercept, and we know the y-intercept always x equals to 0. When you talk about the y-intercept, you make y equals to 0, because any value on this line, the y-intercept, where the function intersects the y-axis here, the x value equals to 0, which means you put 0 for x in every single one. When x equals to 0, y equals to what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, negative 6. Negative 6. That is 0 and negative 6. So let's put 0 here, 0 here, got positive 6. This one does not work. Cancel this one. You got 0 minus 6 is negative 6. This is right. 0 plus 6, it does not work because that's a positive 6. The y-intercept is positive 6. So you have a choice, either choice B or choice D. The other time, or the other way, is you find the roots of the function. I have one root here, I have another root here. The root in this case is when y equals to 0, no, the x-intercept is where y equals to 0. Any value here, you get this one. Let's, for instance, negative 2 and 0. This one is 1, 2, 3, and 0. So the y-intercept here is, the x-intercept is 3, and the y value of y is 0. So this is basically, let's solve each one of them here. So this, the choice B, let's do choice B. Choice B, you have x squared minus x minus 6 equals to 0. As you know, this is a quadratic equation, so we can factor this one. You're looking for two numbers, you multiply them, you get negative 6, and the sum is negative 1. In this case, I see there's 2 and 3. 2 and 3. This is negative, this is positive. So you have negative 3 times positive 2 equals to negative 6. Negative 3 plus 2 equals to negative 1. When you solve this problem, either or, x minus 3 equals 0, or x plus 2 equals 0. This will give you x equals to positive 3, and here x equals to negative 2. So now you have negative 2 as a root and 3 is as a root. So this is the right choice, choice B. Let's look at choice D. Two numbers, you multiply them, you get 6, and the difference is 1. We can use the same method in this case. So you're going to have what? X. You're going to have 3, 2, but the 3 in this case is going to be a positive 3, negative 2. Positive 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. Positive 3 minus 2 is positive 1. When you have this one either or, you got x equals negative 3 and x equals positive 2, but you have here negative 2 and positive 3. This method does not always work well.